not only contrary to rules,
Yes.
but further adds to contravention of rules.
Yes.
Next paragraph, page 10.
Yes.
Page 7, paragraph 10.
Yes.
The answering respondent most humbly submits that after model answers of main examinations were published, objections were called, and all questions in which objections were raised were placed before the expert committee. आप ये कह रहे हैं that we have complied with each and everything, correct? But with your return you have not filed anything. क्यों? उसका आंसर आगे दे रहे हैं. After report of the expert committee was received, the answering respondent CG Vapam prepared a final answer key as well as the merit list on the basis of final answer key. At the request of police department, the result of main examination was handed over to police department and role of CG Vapam ended there.
Yes.
अब बताइए रूल्स क्या बोलता है? आप प्रिलिमिनरी रिजल्ट पब्लिश करेंगे, आप कहते हैं हमने तो कर दिया था, तो वो निकल गया होगा कहीं से जो लिस्ट हम दिए हैं. आप एज ऑफ रूल पब्लिश किए क्या कहीं गैजेट में, कहीं पेपर में? आप मेरी गलती निकाल रहे हैं कि तुमको कहां से मिला. दैट मीन्स आई हैव प्रूव्ड. You have to stand on your own legs, my dear brother. You show the court that you have published the first list, sir, as per rule number so and so. This is the first list, sir. As per rule number so and so, this is the model answer, sir. And this was the objection received, sir. And this was decided by committee, sir. And this was the final list. Obviously, after final publication of final list, you will hand it over to police department. You have done it prior to everything.
Yes.
Giving an option and choice. अब सर एक बहुत बढ़िया.
And to further criticize the selection process, he would draw attention towards the written submitted by the Vyavsayic Pariksha Mandal and would submit that the result were handed over to the police department, which definitely vitiate the selection process. You are, Mr. Badali, this is your submission? That since the return has been submitted to the police department, it vitiate the entire selection process. This is your submission.
सर लास्ट लाइन अब इसी पैराग्राफ का इट इज जहां पे हो रहा है उसी पेज से.
Yes.
It is respectfully submitted that main results of main examination conducted on 26/7/29 May 23 have not been disclosed at the request of police department. The final answer key of main examination, scorecard, cutoff marks will be published after the final selection list is published. Means what? मतलब putting the cart before the horse. Not only cart before the horse, entire gallery before the horse. अब हम फाइनल लिस्ट पब्लिश कर देंगे, उसके बाद कौन पास किया कौन फेल किया उसका लिस्ट बताएंगे. ये कभी so means it actually shows the high-handedness of the police department in the examination. Why Vapam was invited to conduct the exam? To maintain the transparency like it is done in PSC, in other UPSC, etc., etc. An agency conducts fairly. You tell him the number of posts, tell him the qualifications, tell him the reservation, etc., and the rules. Conduction of fair examination, declaration of result, etc., etc., will be done transparently by the separate individual entity, which is Vapam here. Now Vapam says, I have done this, but police called for, so I handed it over. I am clean. What was your duty? You have not said that. और उसके बाद भी आपके रिटर्न में कोई एनेक्चर नहीं है to substantiate your contention.
What is the difficulty in filing the document along with your return, Mr. Vyavsayic Pariksha Mandal?
Malats, it is per se, Malats. From the very beginning, Malats, the advertisement was issued, Malats, by the police department. There's a committee, Malats.
Why?
We will reply to all the.
We will reply, Malats, to all the content.
No, but at least the document should be also
I
filed.
filed along with my return document is there.
You have filed the document?
State would be in a better place, Malats.
I will reply to each and every.
Yes. This is your submission, Mr. Baduri.
Sir,
the dispute has come to very narrow down, I think.
And
I think.
370 candidates. Now, my lords, there is another angle to it.
Yes.
This finding and this so-called communication that they have made, my lords, is only with respect to the mains examination. There are candidates, my lords, who are preliminary, और preliminary में भी अगर candidates को,
जब तक प्रिलिमिनरी क्लियर नहीं करेंगे तो मेंस कैसे
हाँ,
पहुंचेंगे?
preliminary में अगर वो deprive हो गए, that's great.
हाँ, वो तो पता है, अगर करना
preliminary
होगा
में
तो
भी-
वहीं से करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, करना ये,
वो तो
that is,
दैट इज देयर।
क्योंकि जब ये admitted position mains की है तो यही admitted position preliminaries की,
यस,
और preliminary में जो है वो कैलकुलेट, ये जो है मैग्नीफाई हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ 370
370 का 5 गुना हो जाएगा।
वो 20 सर 15 गुना हो जाएगा, 20 गुना हो जाएगा, क्योंकि 20 टाइम्स है, तो
ठीक
वो
है ना?
कैंडिडेट्स 20 टाइम्स के आएंगे, उसके हिसाब से मेंस में
क्या हुआ?
इसमें सर एक तो वो पॉइंट है, उसमें मैं ज्यादा आई विल नॉट हार्प अपॉन
हाँ,
इट,
हाँ,
कि वो प्लाटून कमांडर वाला,
हाँ,
उसके लिए तो बहुत आर्गुमेंट हो चुके हैं।
हाँ, वही
मैं-
सही है। अब
तो बहुत
मिस्टर-
आर्गुमेंट हो चुके हैं।
मिस्टर झा मिस्टर
एक-
झा, यस,
वो आपने 18/8 का ऑर्डर भी किया था,
हाँ,
उसका कंप्लायंस नहीं हुआ है।
हाँ,
तो सर मैंने एप्लीकेशन भी दिया हुआ है कि ये जो सील कवर में दिए हैं, अगर हमको कॉपी दे दिया जाए तो हम उसको देख लेंगे।
वो हमारे
एक-
लिए था।
आपके लिए सर।
हाँ, वो आपके लिए नहीं।
सर एक तो ये हो गया।
ठीक।
दूसरा महिला कि ये 5% रिजर्वेशन फॉर द पुलिस, पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में, तो इसमें मेरा सबमिशन ये है कि पुलिस में उसको पुलिस ही रहने दिया जाए, उसको सब कैटेगराइज ना किया जाए।
क्यों, यानी पुलिस की बात किसको करेंगे?
उसमें SC ST और सब कर दिए हैं।
दी
तो
लंदन काउंसिल पर मैं आपको लिखा देता हूँ।
मेरा और आपने सर उसको लिखा भी, एग्जामिन किया जाए,
हाँ,
उसको सब कैटेगरीज ना किया जाए।
दी-
23/8 के ऑर्डर महिला।
Mr. Jha in WPS number 3342/2023 would submit that the 5% posts are reserved for police person. It should not be further divide in the
Subcategories.
subcategories like SC, ST or OBC or other categories. Thus, he would pray that, he would submit that this has not been done. As such, there is a violation of the rule and would pray for vitiating the entire proceeding. Yes.
बस इतना ही।
This is Mr. Jha का हो गया 3 और 4 में। यस, अब भाई और कौन है?